Hi, I'm Lisa, I'm from Purflo and I'm here to talk to you about our brand new Sleep Tight Baby Bed. This product can be used from birth right through to 8 months, and uniquely it can be used both day and night. The product concept came about because people wanted to reduce the sleeping space in which a baby slept and napped. So what the product does is make baby feel secure and contained, but in a really nice way, almost like they're being cuddled. What's special about our product is that it has a special material which is sustainable, but it's also breathable in its sidewall. It retains its structure, so if any pressure is applied to the sidewall, they retain their rigid shape. What's important about that is that if a baby were to roll to one side, then the product isn't cushioned, so can't form around their face. Breathability is a really key part of Purflo values. So this product is breathable throughout, sidewalls, but also it has a breathable mesh base. The base is firm, flat and waterproof. It has an insert card that can be removed, so the whole thing can be washed and dried really quickly. It's super portable. It has a little handle for carrying around the house, but as baby becomes secure and gets used to this sleeping space, we know that it's important when travelling too. If you've got any information if you want any more information, I should say, about the products that we haven't covered here or in many of our videos on our YouTube channel, then please give us a shout, drop us an email. We're always there to try and answer your questions just as quickly as you can. And thank you for your time.